students, once more after a vacation of all the festivals, Deepavali and Chhath. I hope you have enjoyed and got the blessings of all the festivals and of your relatives and have enjoyed a lot. Now come back and switch on the mode of study because you are class 10 students and preparing for the board examination. So we'll continue from the portion where we have left just before the vacation, Deepavali and Chhath vacation. We are studying about the area related to circles. Just a recap of the formulas which we have studied about that area of segment that is equal to pi r square theta upon 360 degree. One more area of segment that is 1 upon 2 into L into R. Yes, Sajal. Area of sector and area of quadrant is equal to area of quadrant means the sector angle is equal to 90 degree. In that case, that is equal to pi r square upon 4. And area of segment that is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. We have studied of area of triangle are three types, where the central angle is 90 degree and the central angle is 60 degree and the central angle is 120 degree. When 90 degree, then area of triangle is equal to r square upon 2, and in both cases the area of triangle is equal to root 3 upon 4 r square. One more formula we have studied, that the length of r is equal to pi r theta upon 180. So in this exercise you will get some combined figure in which you have to tackle with the area of square, area of triangle, area of sector, and in each case you have to find the area of the shaded region. I will start with the first one, that is a very important question, and that is an example question. In this example question, you have given a square part. A, B, C, D is a square part. What is the condition? Both two sides of the part has been extended in the form of a part of a circle. These two ends are extended as a part of a circle, and the center of the circle of both circle part is the intersecting point of the diagonal of the square. Have you got the condition of the question? We have given a square part. This square part has been extended two parts in the form of a part of a circle, and the center of each circle is the intersecting point of the diagonal. We have given only one information regarding that one, that the square log ABCD of side 56 meter. The side of the square log is 56 meter. Find the sum of the areas of lawn and the flower bed. Means this extended portion is the flower bed. This extended portion is the flower bed. So what we have to find? We have to find the area of the park which was in the beginning plus area of the extended flower bed. Now if we closely observe this figure in the pictorial form, now when I set this region, this shaded region represents which part of the circle? This is also the sector. Is it clear? Now since it is a square, what is the characteristics of the diagonal of a square? The diagonal of the squares are equal and bisect at 90 degree, which means each shaded region represents which one? Quadrant. So this two shaded region we can calculate directly by area of two quadrant plus area of two triangles. Okay. So in this case, first you have to find the length of the diagonal of the square. The length of the diagonal of the square. What is the formula of the diagonal of the square? Diagonal of square is equal to root 2 into a. Is a stand for side. That is equal to 56 root 2 meter. Is it clear? And what is the condition of the question? That the intersecting point of the diagonal is the center of the circle. So what will be the radius? Radius is equal to 56 root 2 upon 2, that is equal to 28 root 2 meter. Have you got this one? Understood? Up to this point? यहाँ तक समझ गए बच्चों? Now, required area is equal to 2 into area of sector plus 2 into area of triangles. And this sector is what? Is a quadrant. Is a quadrant. And that is equal to 2 into area of quadrant plus 2 into area of triangles. What is the formula of area of quadrant? 2 into pi r square upon 4 plus, since it is 90 degree, why 90 degree? Because diagonals of the square intersect or bisect at 90 degree. So each part of the radius act as base and altitude, base and height. Then that is equal to r square upon 2. So in this formula, only one term is unknown, that is r. And what is the value of r? 28 root 2. So by replacing the value of r, are you able to solve this question? बन जाएगा बच्चों? ये आवाज क्यों इतनी कम आ रही है? इसको अब सॉल्व कर सकता है आप लोग? Yes, sir. हाँ? Yes, confident? Yes, sir. Shall I move to the next question? Yes, sir. अभी थोड़ा जोश लाओ बच्चों, अभी भी फेस्टिवल के मूड में हो। चलिए अब हम एक्सरसाइज बनाते हैं, चलिए। Now NCERT, no talking, exercise 12.3, question number 1. Now each question of this exercise is in figure form, in pictorial form, and in each question you have to find the area of shaded region. So it is see this question number 1. You have given a circle. PQR, naming it given PQR and O is the center. You have given PQ is equal to 24 centimeter. PQ is equal to 24 centimeter. PR is equal to 7 centimeter. You have to find the area of this shaded region. Now discuss with me the condition of the question. O is the center of the circle. Okay. I want any girl answer this question, the question which I am going to raise. What is the measurement of angle P and Y? We have given O is the center of the circle. So what is the measurement of angle P? You have studied in class 9 this theorem. Acha, both on.
Angle in a semicircle.
Angle subtended in semicircle is equal to 90 degree. Very good. What is your name? Kasid Hamam. Very smart boy. Previous class also you are answering. Now it is 90 degree. Then we are able to find the value of QR. QR हम find out कर सकते हैं ना, because we have given perpendicular and base. So in this question, triangle RPQ is right triangle. Angle P is equal to 90 degree because angle at semicircle. So in this case, QR is equal to PR square plus PQ square. That is equal to 7 square plus 24 square. 7 square is equal to 49 plus 576. That is equal to 625, which means that is equal to 25 centimeter. So in this case, what will be the radius? Half of this diameter, because this diameter 25.2 centimeter. Now, how will you find the area of the shaded region? How will you find the area of the shaded region? This region is semicircle. Then we will subtract the area of triangle from area of semicircle. Then we are in the condition to find the area of the shaded region. So area of the shaded region, area of the shaded region is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Area of semicircle is equal to pi r square upon 2, because pi r square is the area of circle. 2 divided means area of semicircle, and area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 into b into h. So here, what is your r? 25.2 centimeter. What is the base? 7 centimeter. What is the height? 24 centimeter. now बच्चों चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पे डिस्कस करता हूँ आपसे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज वेरी इजी. In question number 2, we have given two concentric circles and you are given you have to find the area of the shaded region B and C. We have given the information that angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. Angle AOC is equal to 40 degree. We have given two concentric circle with center O are 7 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Means we have given two radius. The smaller radius is 7 centimeter, that is equal to OB, and the bigger radius is 14 centimeter, that is equal to OA. Then you have to find the area of the shaded region. Now discuss with me this AOC, this region, this stand. What is your name? Then AOC is which part of the circle? Major. Which part of a circle? कोई बताए हमको? Anyone? Sejal. It is a sector of bigger circle, and this OBD is the sector of smaller circle. So the shaded region is the region when we subtract the area of smaller sector from area of the bigger sector. Simple question. एकदम आसान है बच्चों ना. ये कैसे निकालेंगे? Required area is equal to area of bigger sector minus area of smaller sector. What is the formula? Pi r square theta upon 360 minus pi r square theta upon 360. Why? Theta is common because it is a concentric circle. So what we can take common from both these one? We can take pi theta upon 360 degree, and that is equal to r square minus r square. So all the three information we have given in the beginning. Theta is equal to 40 degree. Small r is equal to 7 centimeter, and the capital R is equal to 14 centimeter. So easily can find. Now, if you have now, please turn the page and see question number 12.3 to question number 14 from your book. These both questions are same. Here also you have to find the area of shaded region. What is the theta in this case? 30 degree. Capital R 21 and small r. Same question. So easily you can solve question number 14 on the basis of question number 2. Okay. So I take one more question, that is the question number 3. चलिए उसको भी डिस्कस करते हैं. ये बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन है. In question number 3, figure 12.21. Okay, this is. Again you have given a square A, B, C, D. Then two semicircles are drawn by taking the opposite side as the diameter. In this case, you have to find the area of this shaded region, and we have given side 14 centimeter. The side of the square is 14 centimeter. Any girl, please say me, what is the radius of the semicircle? Say जवाब नहीं, दूसरे बच्ची आंसर. What is the radius of the semicircle? कोई girls आंसर दे हमको. Simplest question I am asking, my dear students. Side is equal to diameter, and diameter is 14 centimeter. What is the radius? बच्ची लोग क्या है, उनका दिमाग नहीं काम कर रहा है. Radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Then how you find the area of shaded region? Area of square minus area of two semicircles. The required area क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? Required area is equal to area of square minus 2 into area of semicircle. Area of circle is equal to a square, and 2 into area of semicircle is equal to area of circle. That is equal to pi r square. You have given a is equal to 14 centimeter. Then you can replace this value and find the answer. Is it okay? So please note these questions and try to solve some other questions. In the next class, I will take your doubt from question number 5 of exercise 12.3. And at the same time, dear students, now all the chuttis are over. You have to submit your maths copy and physics copy. Else you will not get that 20 marks for the internal assessment in the for your maths paper in the board examination. Okay. Till then, all the best. God bless you.